Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Toyota Highlander 2008 to 2013? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Highlander 2008 to 2010, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits for power front seats, power windows, front fog lamps, OBD diagnostics, de-icer, stoplights or VSC, moonroof, and tail lamp systems. In the Toyota Highlander 2011 to 2013, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits for power seats, power windows, fog lights, OBD diagnostics, AC, moonroof, and tail stop light systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the Toyota Highlander 2008 to 2010 houses high current fuses and relays that manage the engine, cooling fans, ignition, charging system, and other key under-hood electrical components. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Highlander 2011 to 2013 handles major high current circuits, including rear window defogger, mirror heaters, power outlet, cooling fan, AC heater, EFI/fuel injection, and VSC stability control systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.